It takes smart marketers hours of research browsing Twitter, Facebook, Google, Instagram, and Pinterest to compile the content that really matters to your customers. You can use trending content to get your creative juices flowing for a social post, content for your digital ads, inform product decisions, and keep an eye on your brand. In the Discover section of Play, you'll have a fast way to discover what's trending in your niche whenever you need. Let's try looking for what's trending for best PC games. You can search for any keyword, brand, or topic. Play is looking for content across the web from the past 6 months for your keyword or brand with the highest engagement across Facebook, Twitter, and other social channels, as well as looking at evergreen scores and even backlinks for online articles and blogs. Let's try searching for something else, like food trucks. Let's see what's trending in this niche. And we can see that Will Smith's son, Jaden Smith, has been doing some great things with food trucks, like passing out free food to the homeless. Maybe that's something that you can do, or maybe you can use this information for a social post. Also in the Discover section, you can learn the latest marketing strategies fast from experts who have worked at Google and Facebook. See how much you should be spending on marketing. The marketing guru mentions that you should be spending 12 to 20% of your total revenue on marketing, and you can learn even better estimations based on your company's size. Get more tips like learning how to determine your cost per customer, and discover tips that can help your creative process. Get the newest tips and best practices for having success on Instagram and other social platforms. Play offers multiple answers, so make sure you hit Ask Again to get an even newer and deeper response. Discover is great for new marketers, content creators, and new tools will be added inside Discover regularly, so make sure you check back.
Get more time to play. Play